Don't throw away old Christmas baubles. You can turn them into an impressive decoration. Start by preparing a round base, preferably wooden, which will serve as the foundation for the entire arrangement. Then choose baubles in 2 sizes. Take a soldering iron and make 2 small holes on opposite sides of each bauble. Prepare long wooden skewers and slide the baubles onto them. Apply hot glue to the end of the stick and attach it to the base. Arrange the baubles one by one, alternating large and small until the entire surface of the base is covered. This will create a shiny, festive wreath that looks just like a ready-made decoration from a store. Once the base is ready, place a jar or a low vase in the center. Fill it with spruce branches, rowan berries, or any plants you like. Natural additions will give the decoration freshness and a holiday scent. Your bauble vase is ready. You can place it on a table, sideboard, or windowsill. It's a simple but highly effective way to bring warmth and festive magic into your home.